Friends, good evening. I am going to cover a new pattern which is called double top, double bottom pattern. You might have seen normally technical analysts use this pattern, and this pattern takes 3 months to 6 months usually. So time frame for trade, normally this should be used for swing trading. I will not recommend double top, double bottom to be used intraday, but if you get, you can use 30 minutes or 1 hour chart. So how to trade double top, double bottom pattern? So double top and double bottom pattern can be simply pattern to identify, but incredibly powerful when traded correctly. So we should know how we can use this pattern. As the name implies, the double top is the pattern where two tops form, and double bottom is the where two bottoms form. You can say M and W. While this pattern is pretty easy to recognize once you learn, there are different strategies you can employ to trade it and find better reward rates. So, anatomy of double top. The double top has 4 characteristics: the first top and rejection, the swing lower known as the neckline, the second top, double top, and the second rejection, and confirmation with the break of neckline that you can realize in the diagram. You can see this first top, second top, then the neckline. So I have shown you the diagram. You have to visualize, you have to realize. So you see, this is the first top, this is the second top. First time it has came, then again gone, and you see this is a kind of M. You see this is M formation. You see that. So there are two tops, and once is break the neckline, then you can go ahead for shorting in double top. As a chart example shows above, the price make a move higher. You see that in uptrend, price make a move higher and then reject the first swing, and this is the first top. The price then rolls lower and finds support, creating the neckline. See, creating the neckline. When the price move higher and rejects the same top a second time, we make kings of double top. Many traders will wait for price to break the neckline for confirmation that the double top or bottom has in fact commenced. This is not went wrong, but we discuss just a moment. You do not have to and can enter more aggressive trades using this pattern. Anatomy of double bottom. The double bottom has 4 key characteristics as the double top Only instead of looking for the price to reverse lower, we are looking for a reversal back higher. The double top has two rejections of resistance and the double bottom has two rejection of the support. So that way you have to just compare, you can compare or you can realize. So it has two rejection of resistance and double bottom has two rejection of support. So you see that here first bottom, second bottom. So you see it is not going here, it has gone uptrend. See here on second time two tops, then first neckline, second neckline you have to draw, and you see it here it has broken. Once neckline broke, you can go ahead. So in this chart you can see the price make a lower to reject the swing low, first bottom, and price the pops higher creating neckline. When the price reject the same support a second time, a double bottom is created. You see this is the second time price takes support, then double bottom is created. The three strategies to trade double bottom and double tops. With all things price action trading are different strategies you can deploy depending on your individual style and comfort level. With the double top and double bottom, there are more aggressive strategies that you can compare to others. Aggressive trading strategies enter a second test which a lot trader will wait for the neckline to break for their confirmation. You do not have to do. If waiting confirmation that neckline has broken, you will often miss the biggest move that the first occurs. If you are aggressive trader, you can enter a trade on double bottom, double top. As you begin to see it form, you can read the price action and use high probability price action entry triggers to confirm that price is going to form double top, double bottom. As the example, this would be a price moving up to the second test and forming false break pin bar or large engulfing bar. So you see that here. Once you see it has formed, you can short it. So it is the first top and the second top and the second here. Once you see it has formed, you can short it, so your profit will be double. At the times you will miss the first move and not get a chance to make entry. This is when identifying the pattern and using the other strategies discussed below handy. Waiting for the neckline to break this is far less aggressive than the entering straight from double top, double bottom. With this strategy, you are looking to make breakout trade when the neckline breaks out and confirm the pattern. Identify neckline correctly can be used for entry, but you can also use for a trade management. So that you can take. If taking a aggressive trade entry discussed above, you could either set the target at the neckline or look for a neckline break for bigger profits. If price does not break through, you could then trail your stop loss above or below neckline to lock the profits and let your net rate run a bigger potential winning trade. So you at this point you can short it once you are confirmed. So you can short it, otherwise you can take here. Break and retest of neckline. This strategy is similar to watching your major support and resistance level when they break and seeing if if they hold a new support and resistance price flips. When the neckline has broken the confirmed double top or double bottom, you can watch the old neckline support or resistance. This level will often hold as an old support oblique resistance price flip level. As example of this is below in the chart. Above price form double top and then confirm breaking lower and through the neckline. Price then quickly snaps back higher, testing old neckline support, which act as a new price flip resistance. So you can see here neckline breaks and hold old support and resistance. So you have a lot of options. You realize and take the trade. So this diagram you can realize and short a second top or neckline breaks, hold support, old support and a new resistance. Once conversion is there, you can go ahead. So you could have hunt a trade at the time way you normally either on daily or intraday time frames. As example would be watching when the price move back into resistance at the neckline price flip and then checking a smaller time frame bearish price action to get short. So you see high time frames, then go into a small time frame. So lastly I am concluding the double top and double bottom is another pattern you can add to your price action trading army. Like all other patterns, you should practice the heck out of it and make sure you use the strategies that is in line with your trading personality. So this is what I told you. So this is from my end, double top and double bottom. Friends, in case of any query or support, you can contact me. This is a really important pattern. I already covered head and shoulder. I covered today double top, double bottom. So these takes normally 3 weeks, 3 months, usually minimum 3 weeks, but we can say 3 months. So this pattern is really profitable in swing trading. Intraday also some expert use. So this is what from my end. For any query or support, you can call me, you send me a WhatsApp. I request you to subscribe this video and press a bell icon. Forward to your friends who are doing trading or who want to learn the financial market. I will request you, if you are a new trader, take NSE certified trainer training, have a paper trade, get the expertise. Once you get very good result on paper trade, then do trading more and more with a small amount, discuss with other trader and try to get profit. So to get a trader, it takes years to be. First you have to save the capital. So you have to preserve your capital, then you do it. So thanks a lot. Thank you friend. Good night.